Guys, I'm going to show us how to participate in the Pancakeswap IFO, that's initial farm offering. Now, probably you're using your MetaMask or Trust Wallet, whichever one you are using. Once you are logged in your wallet, connect your wallet. Once you are done connecting your wallet, make sure you have deposited some amount of cake in your wallet. Now, once you have done that, you come down, you look down here. You are going to click on IFO. You can see IFO soon. Once you click on that, okay, we are there now. And once you click on that, you can now see that stake cake to get iCake vesting token. You have no token available for claiming. Okay, this is where you see the tokens you are going to claim. As you can see, we have kingdom rates is in the IFO is going to start in 1 day 2 hours. Okay, so you just have this short time to vest your cake. Now see how to activate. If you have not used this platform or used this IFO before, you are going to be asked to activate your account. Okay, now this is how it works. How to take part in public sale. What you do is to activate your profile, you need an active Pancake profile to take part in IFO. Then the next thing to do is to lock your cake in the cake pool. Now see how it works. The maximum amount of cake you commit to the public sale equals the amount of iCake. Lock more cake for longer durations to increase the maximum cake you can commit to a sale. So once you lock your cake, I will advise you, if you have spare money, just lock your cake and always get check your Pancake to get notified for this is free token. Now you just lock your cake, you are earning from the lock, and you can also participate in the airdrop they are doing called IFO. Okay, how does the number of cake is being calculated? You will enjoy the same amount of iCake for future IFO if your lock staking position is not unlocked. Okay, the next thing to do is to commit your cake. That's now remember, look at something they are notifying here. If you lock your cake in a fixed term, you cannot participate in IFO. Then the fourth one is to claim your cake. Let me go and unlock this account for us to see. You click on activate your profile. You can click on activate your profile. It's coming up. I click on activate. Now profile setup. Show off your start and unique collectibles. Now see how it works. The first step is to get starter collectible. You must buy their NFT. Okay, you must buy their NFT. Every profile start by making a starter collectible. This starter will also be as your first profile picture. You can change the picture later if you get another approved Pancake collectible. Now choose your starter. Let me choose Sleepy. No, I don't like Sleepy. Sunny. Let me take Sunny. Now if I click on Sunny, you will see confirm. Okay, let me go ahead. I've already clicked on enable initially. I'll click on confirm. It will ask me to approve it. Now there is something I want to show us. Let me go back. Now choose wisely. You can only ever make one starter collectible. Cost is 1 cake. Okay, so this NFT now cost you 1 cake. So if you are buying it now, remember market is down. If you are buying it now, cake is approximately 4 point something dollars. If you are buying it now, you are buying it cheap. Even if you want to participate in this in the future, you will need to use 1 cake. So imagine you can sell your NFT even in the future, and when the price of Pancake has gone up. So it's even a good opportunity that you are buying now that is low. Okay, so you can see they are charging 43 cents approve. Transaction submitted. You have minted your starter NFT. Okay. Now see the step 2 now. Choose collectible. I will just choose this one that I already minted and click on enable. 0.6 cents. Confirm. Proceed to the next step. Okay. Click on next step. It won't be possible to undo the choice you make for the foreseeable future. Join the team. There is currently no big difference between team and no benefit of joining one team over the other for now. So pick whichever one you like. Okay, so you can actually join any of the team. As you can see, there is currently no big difference between teams and no benefit of joining one team over the other for now. Okay, so you can see the first one, the second one has more people. So I love this one is chaotic, so I like scattering things. Let's go. I'm going with this one, but you can choose any one. Your name must be at least 3 and at most 15 characters long. You can't change it once it's confirmed. Okay, let me go with my normal username, Team Sophie. Okay, my name, only reuse a name from other social media if you're okay with people viewing your wallet. You can change name once. You can't change name once it's stick. Okay, I'm going with Team Sophie. Confirmed. Signature request. Sign. Complete profile. Submitting NFE to contract and confirming username and team. Cost 0.5. Confirm. Confirm. Profile created. Okay, so you can see this my profile. This is my profile picture. I have just one NFT here. So let me go and stake my NFT. Achievements. None. NFTs. Activity. Okay, so let's go back to IFO. Let's go back to IFO. Okay, so what we need to do is to stake. So let's go to staking. Okay, flexible. So I'm going with flexible. I want to just lock for 7 days. Okay, so you just once you click on IFO, you will see stake cake. You can see flexible, you can see locked. Click on stake enable. Okay, so once you do that, you will see flexible. You can see flexible is just 2% APY, but locked is 62% APY. That means in a year you are getting 2.9% returns, while lock is giving you 62%. But for the purpose of IFO, it's only the flexible that you can use, but you can as well lock your kick. You can see the reward is very enticing. So I'll just go ahead to put max. Confirm. Approve. Transaction submitted. So you can see your fund is being staked under flexible. You can see the add and the minus sign. You can see where you can convert it to lock staking, but that's not what we are doing for now. So I have once I get it gets converted to iCake, then I should be able to participate in the current vesting that is starting 1 day 1 hour time. Okay, so it's still saying I don't have enough iCake, so let's wait till tomorrow before we can commit to this one.